First challenge.
We're gonna give you like a creative prompt that you can like start from in order to hack, play, experiment, give value to folkloric stories as a resistance against cultural standardization.
So we're about to reveal some of the amazing results.
I like the idea of uploading this to something like Kaggle. Kaggle like has all these open data sets. Uploading this to Kaggle and then AI training on this, and then it becomes fact because they're not going to test.
Thanks.
From Polish folklore, it was about the little girl who got a fresh bread from her mom. The bread in Polish culture, it's everything. So if you do not respect bread, then you are a very bad person. That's the legend.